Are you taking care of your Anthurium plants, but they refuse to bloom, only grow leaves, or produce very small and dull flowers? Don't rush to throw them away. Today, I will guide you on how to care for these Anthurium plants so they can grow healthy and bloom again. With just a few simple ingredients available at home, you can completely revive your Anthurium and even lilies, helping them sprout strongly and bloom more vibrantly. I am Wonder Garden. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss extremely useful plant care tips. To care for Anthurium today, I will make a fertilizer from coffee. Coffee contains nitrogen, minerals, and organic compounds that help stimulate growth, green the leaves, and improve soil quality, thereby supporting healthier plant development. I will use 1 teaspoon of coffee. Add it to 500 milliliters of hot water. Stir well until dissolved. Then cover and let it steep for about 3 hours so the nutrients are fully extracted into the water. The next ingredient I use is rice. Rice washing water contains vitamin B, minerals, and trace elements, helping provide light nutrition, stimulate root growth, and support better flowering. I will use about 3 tablespoons of rice, then add it to 500 milliliters of clean water and stir well. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Next, soak it for about 3 hours. After about 3 hours, I will filter out all the coffee grounds and rice residue, keeping only the liquid extract. At the same time, I will mix these 2 solutions together to create a nutrient-rich natural mixture. The combination of coffee and rice water provides nitrogen, vitamin B, and minerals, helping plants grow stronger, improve the root system, and stimulate flowering more effectively. Finally, I will dilute the solution with about 1 liter of clean water to adjust it to a suitable concentration for the plant. Diluting helps prevent the solution from being too concentrated, avoiding shock or damage to the roots. Method 1. Pour the solution into a small cup. Then use a soft cotton pad to soak up the solution and gently wipe the entire surface of the Anthurium leaves. When wiping, clean both sides of the leaves, especially the underside, as this is where the plant exchanges gases and absorbs nutrients more effectively. The solution from coffee and rice water will help remove dust and bacteria from the leaves, help leaves become greener, shinier, and sturdier, increase photosynthesis efficiency and plant resistance. Regular leaf cleaning also helps the plant absorb light better, thereby promoting healthy growth and creating favorable conditions for more blooming. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Besides Anthurium, you can absolutely apply this leaf cleaning method to peace lily or Phalaenopsis orchids in your garden. The natural solution from coffee and rice water helps clean the leaf surface, remove dust and bacteria, and provide a light nutrient source to keep plants greener and healthier. When cleaned regularly, these plants will improve photosynthesis, reduce fungal issues, and grow more stably, making it easier for them to bloom and maintain longer-lasting flowers. Method 2. Pour the solution into a watering can, then gently and evenly water it directly at the base of the Anthurium plant. When applied to the base, the solution will soak into the growing medium and roots, helping the plant absorb nutrients quickly and effectively. The combination of coffee and rice water brings many benefits, provides natural nutrients to help plants grow stronger and greener, supports root development, improving water absorption, creates favorable conditions for more, even blooming, larger flowers, and better color. Note that you should water in moderate amounts, avoiding excess water that may cause root rot. For other plants as well, coffee and rice water indirectly provide a natural nutrient source. Coffee supplies nitrogen and minerals to support greener, thicker, and healthier leaves. Meanwhile, rice water contains vitamin B and trace elements that stimulate root growth and improve nutrient absorption. When combined, this solution also helps nourish beneficial microorganisms in the soil, improving the growing medium and helping plants grow more stably with fewer diseases. As a result, not only Anthurium but many other plants in your garden can grow well, bloom evenly, and maintain long-lasting beauty when cared for using this method. Method 3. Pour the remaining solution into a spray bottle, then lightly and evenly mist it over the entire plant. When spraying, ensure the solution forms a fine mist, so it can evenly coat the leaves and stems, allowing the plant to absorb nutrients gradually and more effectively. The coffee and rice water solution, when misted, will help increase humidity around the plant, especially suitable for moisture-loving plants like Anthurium. Help leaves become greener, reduce dust, and limit mild fungal issues. Support stable growth and enhance plant resistance. Note that you should spray in the early morning or late afternoon, avoiding strong sunlight to achieve the best results. Finally, place the plant in a location with gentle indirect light, avoiding direct sunlight. Indirect light helps the plant photosynthesize effectively without burning the leaves, especially suitable for plants like Anthurium, Phalaenopsis orchids, or peace lily. When placed in the right position, the plant will grow steadily, leaves will become glossier, and it will create ideal conditions for more abundant and beautiful blooms. Result: these are the Anthurium plants I have cared for using the methods shown at the beginning of the video. You can see the leaves are glossy, thick, and healthy, while the flowers bloom abundantly with vibrant colors and longer-lasting beauty. The flowers become larger, more durable, and stay on the plant longer, bringing a striking beauty to the space. The root system also develops strongly, firmly anchoring into the growing medium, helping the plant absorb nutrients better and grow more stably. When the plant becomes strong enough, you will see new flower buds continuously appearing, allowing the plant to bloom evenly and beautifully all year round. What do you think about this method of caring for Anthurium? If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel to support me.